Yesterday was a parts run, about 70 miles one way, 140 total. Took a little over most of the day, of course. It's for a whole front suspension unit off of m151a1. At least I hope it's A1. Not totally sure it's ever been used. It cost $250. It has a differential, the axles, hub to hub, springs, shocks. It doesn't show signs that it was used. I don't see any like thread marks here. I looked under here. It doesn't look like a bolt ever mounted it to the frame. I'm kind of thinking it was a takeoff, not a takeoff, but a replacement unit, like a one piece. But not sure. At any rate, it'll give me something to work on. I know those differentials run anywhere from $250 to $400 takeouts. So for a total of $250 and get some gas, I would think this is well worth it. I took my little army trailer because I didn't want to take the big trailer. Tires are a little sketchy, so I brought an extra spare or two or three. It handled pretty well. The guy I got the suspension from also gave me that real thing underneath that tire and that one on top of that tire. They have electrical cable in them. He was giving them away, so I figured I might find a use for it. That one up there, I think I'm just going to use for my air hose in the garage, because it looks like it's for water, my guess. But I think it'll look good on the wall just to hold my air hoses up. Also came, or actually I paid $50 for this. Oh, truck's locked. Back that up. But an M151a1 rifle windshield, or I think it's not totally sure. Cannon mount M151a1. M151 cannon mount windshield. No rust, no brackets, no hinges. These things are kind of marred up, but I just kind of had to get it because it looked cool. Also got a light switch and an actual, I don't know what you call that, but it goes from the axle to the differential. So that was my parts run. Get it all unloaded, and I'll show you some more pictures. That's that custom M151a1. I think it's called a cannon mount windshield. I have to do some research on that. Really nice shape. Really like it. I do have in my piles of junk a standard M151a1 windshield in really nice shape. It has the hinges. It still doesn't have those, but this is the only thing it has that one doesn't, and that's for the soft top. The front part of the top goes right through here. It's got one good window, one bad window. Its rubber's been painted. That rubber actually looks in really good shape. So I'll put that windshield frame here with the rest of the junk. If I ever need it, it'll be here. Start out with 1.855. The goal is 1.5. 0.355 difference. Divide that by 2 is 0.1775. Needs to come off each side. Each side is